Welcome to the Petti Pest Control Driver Safety Course. This course is mandatory for all employees authorized to drive company vehicles. Prior to employment, your driving record was reviewed and approved. It is your responsibility to maintain a good driving record throughout your employment with Petti Pest Control. Petti Pest Control is one of the few companies that allows employees to take the company vehicle home. While this is a significant benefit, it also entails a great responsibility for the employee to adhere to strict rules regarding the use of the company vehicle. All vehicles are equipped with surveillance cameras and geo-tracking devices for your safety and the company's security. Petti Pest Control Driving Policies and Compliance Program is designed to ensure all service personnel maintain the highest standards of safety while operating company vehicles. At Petti Pest Control, safe driving is a core component of our commitment to protecting our employees, customers, and the public. Let's dive into this deeper. Every Petti Pest Control employee must adhere to strict behavioral and regulatory standards to maintain driving privileges. Licensure status. Employees must possess a valid driver's license at all times. If a license is lost or suspended, the employee must notify their supervisor immediately. Substance abuse. There is a strict zero-tolerance policy regarding the use of alcohol or illegal drugs while operating an employer-owned vehicle. No tobacco products of any kind may be used in a company vehicles or while on duty near a company vehicle. GPS monitoring. Company vehicles utilize GPS tracking to monitor driving behavior, ensuring adherence to safe speeds and efficient routing. Restrictions on mobile and communication device usage while driving. No texting or other unsafe use of any communication device while operating the vehicle. Incident accountability. Management reserves the right to request a drug test within 24 hours of any vehicle accident or incident. Usage. The company vehicle may only be used for work to and from service location and for off-vehicle company business. No unauthorized personnel may be in the vehicle at any time for any reason. Use of the vehicle must always be official business only and operated under all state and other motor vehicle laws. Accountability for vehicle maintenance and presentation to include state requirements for pest control use. This is the core values, so let's take a look at other requirements and responsibilities come with Petti Pest Control vehicle policy. Operating a pest control service vehicle presents unique challenges due to the transport of chemicals, product applicators, and large equipment, such as ladders up to 40 feet in length. You are responsible for ensuring the vehicle is in safe operational condition and for the safe transport of any load carried within or on the vehicle. Incidents and accidents can occur at any time, and you must be prepared to respond accordingly. For ladder transport, all ladders must be securely fastened with metal tie-downs. Bungee cords are not acceptable. Ladders must be secured and locked during transport and when not in use. All company vehicles must have an up-to-date spill kit in a readily accessible location to be used in the event of a spill or accident. You are responsible for all chemicals in your vehicle, including compliance with all Department of Agriculture rules and requirements regarding those products. No chemical products labeled as pesticides, application equipment, sprayers, or bungees may be present in the cab of the vehicle at any time, as this is a violation of state laws. Your vehicles are subject to full inspections by State Department of Agriculture inspectors at any time. Be prepared and prioritize safety. Pre-use inspections and checks are conducted on several occasions. Upon receipt of your initial vehicle, an inspection will be performed to identify any pre-existing issues before assignment. Additional pre-use inspections will occur if vehicle changes are necessary. In such instances, both the vehicle being vacated and the vehicle being utilized will be inspected, with any identified issues documented. The most frequent pre-use inspection is the daily one you are required to perform. Prior to starting the vehicle, you are responsible for a thorough safety inspection, encompassing the vehicle, its load, the ladder rack, and the ladder. Ensure the vehicle is safe both internally and externally, and fully prepared for operation. Your supervisor will also conduct monthly and random inspections of your vehicle on a routine basis. It is strongly recommended that the vehicle be maintained in optimal condition at all times. Our fleet manager, Bonnie, will schedule regular and routine maintenance for the vehicle and will block your schedule to complete any and all maintenance. Be aware that the Department of Agriculture conducts routine spot on-site inspections in all states of operation. These inspections are rigorous and can result in violations for both the company and the individual if the vehicle is not correctly maintained, including proper chemical load organization. You are accountable for the vehicle at all times. This is a privilege that can be revoked at any time. Please respect it and do not jeopardize it. Hazardous materials and equipment. It is critical that you understand the liability associated with each vehicle. Chemical containment. All pesticides and equipment must be secured to prevent shifting, which could affect vehicle handling and lead to spills. These products must also be separated and organized in accordance with all applicable state and federal regulations. It is mandatory that all vehicles displaying the Petti name carry a spill kit. This includes managers and inspectors, so that, in the event of a spill, nearby vehicles can respond quickly to assist. Following this course, you will participate in a comprehensive training session on traffic accident reporting, adhering to the Petti Pest Control Protocol. To facilitate your preparation, we will now address some key aspects. Traffic accident response procedures. In the event of a traffic accident, employees must adhere to established emergency protocols. 1. Immediately shut off the engine and assess all involved parties for any injuries. 2. Notify emergency services 911 if there are any injuries or significant vehicle damage. 3. Immediately notify a manager. A Petti Pest Control manager must respond to the site of any traffic accident. 4. Examine the vehicle for any chemical leaks or spills. 5. Relocate the vehicles from traffic lanes if no injuries have occurred and it is safe to do so. While a comprehensive review of documentation and reporting requirements will be conducted in the subsequent course, this session will provide a brief overview to reinforce these essential procedures. Every Petti Pest Control vehicle is equipped with a traffic accident report form, located in the glove compartment. This form must be completed at the scene of any accident, irrespective of its severity. If the Petti Pest Control driver is not injured, they are responsible for completing the form, including all pertinent information regarding the other drivers involved. If the driver sustains injuries, the arriving manager is responsible for completing the form. Traffic accident form. Technicians are required to fully complete the official traffic accident form, designating the Petti Pest Control driver and vehicle as number 1. Statement of events. A written statement detailing the incident must be submitted to management. Chemical spill response. In the event of a spill during an accident, technicians must immediately contain the source, utilize appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE, and adhere to all relevant regulatory cleanup guidelines. In accordance with Petti Pest Control guidelines, the arriving manager may request that all Petti Pest employees in the vicinity respond with their equipment to facilitate a prompt cleanup of any spill. Training verification. To ensure employee competency, ongoing safety education is mandatory for all personnel. Initial training. All new hires receive a comprehensive orientation in safe driving and risk management during their first week of employment. Refresher courses. Regular safety meetings and refresher training sessions are conducted to reinforce defensive driving best practices and to provide staff updates on new regulations. Managerial oversight. Branch and area service managers are responsible for identifying additional training requirements based on technician performance and incident trends. This training session has concluded. Please proceed to the examination. Best of luck.